up to tell me how another day passes along. I love that simple song that reminds me I'm getting closer to you. And every time thoughts tumble down, my mind is unwound. So much to say. Maybe on another day, when these words come out right. A lesson